Welcome to the Philip effect. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove this activation notification shown at the lower part of your screen on Windows 10. I think it should work as well for Windows 11. So first and first, what you want to do is just click on Start and type Run regedit. So when you do so, you'll see this. You click on Enter, and then you have this screen. In this screen, you want to click on where you have local machine. Just look for where you have the local machine here. In most cases, it will be the third option shown. Okay, so just want to click on the arrow close to it at your left hand side. Will do so. Then the next thing, you want to click on System. That will be the last option there. And where you have System now, after clicking on System, you want to click on Current Control Set. And when you do so, you have this long list. To be able to work with this long list, we're looking for where S is. So you just click on S on your keyboard and look for the next one I will be showing you. So you just roll it down. It will be along the last part. That will be SVSVC. This one here. So you can see it's along the end of S. So you click on that. Now you want to click on Start by your right hand side here. You click on Start. You instead of clicking it directly, will be right clicking. That means the default one here will be 3 already. So you want to cancel that. You want to clear it and click on and write 4 in place of 3, and that will be it. And you will have the solution right in front of you. So what I would like to say fast before I end this video is you will need to restart your computer before you can see that it's gone. I did so now, so I'm just editing it to be fast. And if you have an error message when you do so, that means you need to log out, like you need to restart your computer and sign in as administrator, and then repeat this process in the administrator profile. Yeah, and then it will be activated this way. You should come back to this current profile you're using now where you had the error before. So that will be all for today. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and if you like this video, click on the like button and comment if you have any questions in regards to what you've just seen. Thanks. Stay blessed.